Adjectives. Everyday adjectives. Impossible. Impossible. Nothing is impossible in life. Immediately. Immediately. Please call me immediately. Accurate. Accurate. I have got the accurate answer. Healthy. Healthy. Please eat healthy food. Historical. Historical. This is a historical place. Important. Important. I have an important meeting. Available. Available. She is available to talk. Large. Large. Wow, what a large pizza it is. Emotional. Emotional. My family faced an emotional moment. Competitive. Competitive. We are living in a competitive world. Efficient. Efficient. My mom is an efficient worker. Suitable. Suitable. This dress will be suitable for you. Sufficient. Sufficient. This box has sufficient space. Wonderful. Wonderful. What a wonderful painting. Unusual. Unusual. This is an unusual situation. Global. Global. This is a global warning. Powerful. Powerful. Public speaking is a powerful tool. Hungry. Hungry. I am hungry. Practical. Practical. Look for the practical solution. Cultural. Cultural. There is a cultural difference. Existing. Existing. Address all the existing problems. Afraid. Afraid. Don't be afraid. Careful. Careful. I will be careful. Latter. Latter. The team chose the latter option. Acceptable. Acceptable. It is an acceptable solution. Aggressive. Aggressive. My dog is aggressive. Distinct. Distinct. These are two distinct groups. Reasonable. Reasonable. It is a reasonable price. Strict. Strict. I am a strict teacher. Automatic. Automatic. We are waiting for an automatic car. For more